मैंने तलवार को दोबारा म्यान में रख दिया।
I placed the sword back into its sheath. I placed the sword back into its sheath.
आपको अपने हम जमातों के साथ चीजों को दुरुस्त करना होगा।
You have to make things right with your classmates. You have to make things right with your classmates.
मुझे अब भी एक नोट की जरूरत है।
I stilni da note. I stilni da note.
अचानक उसने जो कुछ किया था इस पर उसे हैरत हुई।
It suddenly struck her what she had done. It suddenly struck her what she had done.
इसने दरवाजा खोलने की कोशिश की।
She tried opening the door. She tried opening the door.
मैंने क्रिसमस के लिए अपने भतीजों के खिलौने खरीदे।
I bought my nephew's toys for Christmas. I bought my nephew's toys for Christmas.
मेरी आंखें और भी फैल गईं।
My eyes widened even further. My eyes widened even further.
वो अपनी मौसीकी के बारे में पुरजोश थी।
She was passionate about her music. She was passionate about her music.
मैं कभी नहीं भूला कि इससे पहले चीजें कितनी मुश्किल थी।
I never forgot how hard things were before. I never forgot how hard things were before.
इसने अपनी जई में चटक्की भर नमक की दरखास्त की।
She requested a pinch of salt in her oats. She requested a pinch of salt in her oats.
मंशियात ने थोड़ी मदद की।
The drugs helped a little. The drugs helped a little.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना याद है कि मैं अपने उस्ताद को फोन करना था।
I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher. I only just remembered I was meant to call my teacher.
वो बात करते करते बहुत थक गया था।
He was too tired to talk. He was too tired to talk.
इसने गुस्से में एक शाख तोड़ दी।
She snapped off a branch in anger. She snapped off a branch in anger.
जैसे ही मैंने इसे देखा तो मेरी मुहाफिजी हिस्स बढ़ गई।
My guard went up immediately I saw him. My guard went up immediately I saw him.
बंदर इसके पास ही गिर गया।
The monkey dropped down beside him. The monkey dropped down beside him.
मेरे बाल एक नए अंदाज में कदरे पीछे मुड़े हुए थे।
My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style. My hair was twisted slightly back in a new style.
वो इसका बहौर मुताला करती चली गई।
She went on studying him carefully. She went on studying him carefully.
मैं अपने स्कूल में फर्क पैदा करने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
I try to make a difference in my school. I try to make a difference in my school.
वो काफी मतजस्सुस लग रहा था।
He seemed curious enough. He seemed curious enough.
इन्होंने जमीन पर घुटने टेके।
They knelt on the ground. They knelt on the ground.
हम तेज रोशनी से हैरान रह गए।
We were taken aback by the bright light. We were taken aback by the bright light.
मैं इसे एक नई रोशनी में देखने लगा।
I began to see him in a new light. I began to see him in a new light.
वो बमुश्किल 1 मिनट रुके।
They lingered barely a minute. They lingered barely a minute.
आप इसकी आवाज में ईमानदारी सुन सकते थे।
You could hear the honesty in his voice. You could hear the honesty in his voice.
मैं इसे 1 साल में हासिल कर सकता हूँ।
I can achieve that in a year. I can achieve that in a year.
इसके चेहरे पर शर्मिंदगी का कोई निशान नहीं था।
There was no trace of shame on her face. There was no trace of shame on her face.
इसके पास अपनी ड्राइंग के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं था।
He had nothing to offer except his drawings. He had nothing to offer except his drawings.
उसने एक लम्हे के लिए अपने माजी पर गौर किया।
She reflected on her past for a moment. She reflected on her past for a moment.
वो किसी ऐसी चीज पर काबू नहीं रख सकता जो इसकी ताकत से बाहर हो।
He can't control something that is beyond his power. He can't control something that is beyond his power.
इन्हें शो के बारे में बुरा एहसास था।
They had a bad feeling about the show. They had a bad feeling about the show.
वो हैरानी से खड़ा था जैसे उसे पहली बार देख रहा हो।
He stood amused as though seeing it for the first time. He stood amused as though seeing it for the first time.
इसके चेहरे पर गुस्से के बादल छा गए।
Her face clouded over in anger. Her face clouded over in anger.
मैं वो हूँ जिसे आप बूढ़ी रूह कहते हैं।
I am what you call an old soul. I am what you call an old soul.
माही गैरों ने इस दोपहर को एक बड़ी मछली पकड़ी।
The fisherman caught a big fish that afternoon. The fisherman caught a big fish that afternoon.
इसने उसकी तरफ एक फर्जी धक्का दिया।
She feigned a mock push toward him. She feigned a mock push toward him.
मैंने टूटे हुए अंडे को निकालने की कोशिश की।
I tried scooping up the broken egg. I tried scooping up the broken egg.
वो जल्द ही हुजूम में इसकी नजरों से ओझल हो गई।
She quickly lost sight of her in the crowd. She quickly lost sight of her in the crowd.
वो कम अज कम कुछ एहतराम तो दिखा सकता था।
He could have at least shown some respect. He could have at least shown some respect.
मैं जानता था कि ये कहाँ है।
I knew where it was. I knew where it was.
वो सारा दिन घर ही रही।
She stayed home all day. She stayed home all day.
हमने छुट्टियों में घर की सफाई में हिस्सा डाला।
We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays. We contributed to cleaning the house during the holidays.
वो खोया हुआ लगता था।
He seemed to be lost. He seemed to be lost.
बच्चे पर अपना गुस्सा निकालना बंद करें।
Stop taking out your anger on the child. Stop taking out your anger on the child.
बच्चों से तेज धार चीजें छीन लेनी चाहिए।
Sharp objects should be taken away from kids. Sharp objects should be taken away from kids.
इसे बाद में मालूम हुआ कि उसे शादी में क्यों नहीं बुलाया गया था।
He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding. He later knew why he wasn't invited to the wedding.
इसका दिल उदासी से बोझल हो रहा था।
Her heart felt heavy with sadness. Her heart felt heavy with sadness.
घर वापस आते ही वो फौरन सो गई।
She went to sleep immediately upon returning home. She went to sleep immediately upon returning home.
पानी के दबाव से छत फटने का खतरा है।
The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure. The ceiling threatened to burst from the water pressure.
हम सब रात के खाने से पहले पहुंच गए।
We all arrived before dinner time. We all arrived before dinner time.
इसने फौरी हिसाब किताब किया।
She performed a quick calculation. She performed a quick calculation.
गिलहरी एक दीवार पर चढ़ गई।
The squirrel climbed up a wall. The squirrel climbed up a wall.
वो फौरन सड़क के पार नजर आई।
She was spotted immediately across the street. She was spotted immediately across the street.
मेरा कपड़ा तार से फंस गया।
My cloth caught onto a wire. My cloth caught onto a wire.
वो हेलो कहने के लिए बाहर निकल आए।
They came out to say hello. They came out to say hello.
एक खेल के लिए लाठियों को एक साथ बांध दिया गया था।
The sticks were tied together for a game. The sticks were tied together for a game.
तूफान के दौरान छत गिर गई।
The roof fell in during the storm. The roof fell in during the storm.
सूरज गुरूब होते ही बादल सुर्ख हो गए।
The clouds turned bright red at sundown. The clouds turned bright red at sundown.
कागजी हवाई जहाज नीचे गिरने से पहले 1 मिनट के लिए उड़ता रहा।
The paper plane flew for a minute before falling down. The paper plane flew for a minute before falling down.
गाड़ी खतरनाक रफ्तार से उसकी तरफ बढ़ी।
The car rushed towards her at an alarming speed. The car rushed towards her at an alarming speed.
इन्होंने साथ वाले घर से चीखों की आवाजें सुनी।
They heard screams coming from the house next door. They heard screams coming from the house next door.
बिल्ली खूबसूरती से फर्श पर उतरी।
The cat landed elegantly on the floor. The cat landed elegantly on the floor.
सनक एक जोरदार धड़के से गिर गया।
The sink fell with a heavy thud. The sink fell with a heavy thud.
वो कैमरे के पीछे झुक गया।
He ducked behind the camera. He ducked behind the camera.
इसने दही का ढक्कन उतार दिया।
She whipped off the cap of the yogurt. She whipped off the cap of the yogurt.
चरवाहे जानवरों पर चीखते रहे।
The herdsman shouted at the animals. The herdsman shouted at the animals.
पानी की बोतल इसके हाथ से गिर गई।
The water bottle fell from his hand. The water bottle fell from his hand.
जानवर को दूर से देखा गया।
The animal was spotted from afar. The animal was spotted from afar.
उनकी बातों पर मुसलसल खुलूस के साथ जोर दिया जाता रहा।
His words were continually asserted with sincerity. His words were continually asserted with sincerity.
पैरामेडिक्स जाए वक़वा पर पहुंच गए।
The paramedics rushed to the scene. The paramedics rushed to the scene.
वो बमुश्किल पुलिस से बच निकलने में कामयाब हुई।
She barely managed to escape the police. She barely managed to escape the police.
अपनी सेहत का ख्याल न रखने का नतीजा तबाहकुन होगा।
Not taking care of your health will end disastrously. Not taking care of your health will end disastrously.
मैंने आज मुख्तलिफ नौकरियों के लिए दरखास्त दी।
I applied for a series of jobs today. I applied for a series of jobs today.
इसने इस मंजर की मंजरकशी अपने ज़हन में की।
He pictured the scene in his head. He pictured the scene in his head.
बच्चे खामोश बैठे रहे।
The children sat in silence. The children sat in silence.
उस्ताद रोते हुए लड़के को तसल्ली देने के लिए तेजी से आगे बढ़ा।
The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy. The teacher moved fast to console the crying boy.
मेरे पास एक आइडिया है जिससे मसला हल हो जाएगा।
I have an idea that would solve the problem. I have an idea that would solve the problem.
मैंने तस्वीर पर बड़े पैमाने पर मुस्कुराया।
I grinned widely at the picture. I grinned widely at the picture.
वो पूरी तवज्जो से तकरीर सुन रही थी।
She listened to the speech with intensity. She listened to the speech with intensity.
इसने इम्तिहानी पर्चे में तकरीबन तमाम सवालात के जवाबात दिए।
He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper. He answered almost all the questions in the exam paper.
मैं ऑनलाइन मीटिंग में शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहा था।
I was waiting to be added to the online meeting. I was waiting to be added to the online meeting.
कौंसिल खामोशी से मुजरिम का इंतजार करती रही।
The council waited in silence for the offender. The council waited in silence for the offender.
वो अपना मंसूबा हरकत में लाई।
She put her plan in motion. She put her plan in motion.
ऐसा करना बुरा काम होगा।
That would be a wicked thing to do. That would be a wicked thing to do.
इसने ऐसा असतफी दिया कि मैं परेशान हो गया।
He sounded so resigned that I was worried. He sounded so resigned that I was worried.
मैं स्कूल में एक ड्रामे का ऑडिशन देना चाहता था।
I wanted to audition for a play at school. I wanted to audition for a play at school.
इसे किसी ना किसी तरह लगा कि उसे मुंतखब नहीं होना चाहिए था।
He somehow felt he should not have been selected. He somehow felt he should not have been selected.
थोड़ी देर में एक बार खतरा मोल लेने की कोशिश करें।
Try taking risks once in a while. Try taking risks once in a while.
वो अपने बच्चे को अपनी नजरों से दूर नहीं जाने देती थी।
She would not let her child go away from her sight. She would not let her child go away from her sight.
मुझे इस नए साल में बेहतर चीजों की उम्मीद है।
I hope for better things this new year. I hope for better things this new year.
थोड़ा और इंतजार करें।
Wait a bit longer. Wait a bit longer.
हमें हफ्ते में एक बार साहिल समंदर पर जाने की इजाजत है।
We are allowed to visit the beach once a week. We are allowed to visit the beach once a week.
आपको कबूल करना होगा कि आप कौन हैं।
You have to accept who you are. You have to accept who you are.
बच्चों ने आज हुरूफ तहज्जी सीखे।
The kids learned the alphabet today. The kids learned the alphabet today.
इसके गले में एक गुलटी बन गई थी।
A lump had formed in her throat. A lump had formed in her throat.
वो धोखाधड़ी पर दर्द से चलाया.
He cried out in pain at the betrayal. He cried out in pain at the betrayal.
मैं सिर्फ एक रात रहूंगा.
I would be staying only for a night. I would be staying only for a night.
हमारे सोने का वक्त गुजर चुका है.
It is already past our bedtime. It is already past our bedtime.
आपको रात के इस वक्त तक बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए.
You should not be out by this time of the night. You should not be out by this time of the night.
इसने उसकी फिक्र करना छोड़ दी थी.
She had ceased to worry over it. She had ceased to worry over it.
वो लंबी दौड़ के लिए बाहर निकल गया.
He went out for a long run. He went out for a long run.
बिल्ली सर्दी में कांप गई.
The cat shivered in the cold. The cat shivered in the cold.
मैंने अपने आप को बोलने पर मजबूर महसूस किया.
I just felt compelled to speak. I just felt compelled to speak.
दीवार में शिगाफ से पानी बह रहा था.
Water was spilling through the crack in the wall. Water was spilling through the crack in the wall.
मैं साहिल समंदर पर खींच लिया गया.
I pulled over at the beach. I pulled over at the beach.
वो गुस्से से अपने उस्ताद के पास गए.
They angrily walked up to their teacher. They angrily walked up to their teacher.
इसका चेहरा एक किताब में दफन था.
Her face was buried in a book. Her face was buried in a book.
उसने एक गर्मजोश शख्सियत को रोशन किया.
He radiated a warm personality. He radiated a warm personality.
मैं हिचकिचाहट के साथ मुंजमद खड़ा था.
I stood frozen with hesitation. I stood frozen with hesitation.
वो शख्स अपने इंटरव्यू लेने वाले को जवाब देने के लिए वापस मुड़ा।
The man turned back to give his interviewer a response. The man turned back to give his interviewer a response.
उसने अपने स्कूल के बैग से बैग निकाला।
She lifted out the bag from her school bag. She lifted out the bag from her school bag.
फ्लास्क पर खुसूसी नाम लिखा हुआ था।
The flask had a customized name written on it. The flask had a customized name written on it.
वो सीढ़ियों के नीचे बैठ गया।
He sat down at the bottom of the stairs. He sat down at the bottom of the stairs.
मैंने घर वापसी के रास्ते में एक बेतरतीब पत्थर उठाया।
I picked up a random stone on the way back home. I picked up a random stone on the way back home.
मशहूर गुलकार गाते ही जज्बे से कांप उठा।
The famous singer trembled with passion as he sang. The famous singer trembled with passion as he sang.
इसने गहरा सांस लिया और हुजूम का सामना किया।
He took a deep breath and faced the crowd. He took a deep breath and faced the crowd.
बच्चे कमरे में घुस गए।
The children flooded into the room. The children flooded into the room.
इसने अपना सामान फेंक दिया था।
He had stuff thrown his way. He had stuff thrown his way.
इसे अपनी तहकीक का नतीजा बताना था।
He had to explain the result of his research. He had to explain the result of his research.
वो थकावट से कमजोरी महसूस कर रही थी।
She felt weak from fatigue. She felt weak from fatigue.
मुझे अपने फेफड़ों के ऊपरी हिस्से में चीखने की शदीद जरूरत है।
I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs. I have an extreme need to scream at the top of my lungs.
इसने जो अल्फाज लिखे वो गलत थे।
The words she wrote were wrong. The words she wrote were wrong.
वो सारा दिन उसे नजरअंदाज करने की कोशिश करते रहे।
They tried ignoring her the whole day. They tried ignoring her the whole day.
मेरे पास अब यहाँ रहने की कोई वजह नहीं है।
I have no reason to be here anymore. I have no reason to be here anymore.
सूरत हाल में और भी था।
There was more to the situation. There was more to the situation.
वो बात करने से भी बेचैन था।
He was too disheartened to talk. He was too disheartened to talk.
बच्चे सुबह 7 बजे स्कूल के लिए रवाना हुए।
The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning. The kids departed for school at 7 in the morning.
बारिश के बादलों से आसमान सियाह हो गया।
The sky turned dark with rain clouds. The sky turned dark with rain clouds.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे सफर के साथी बने।
I want you to be my travel buddy. I want you to be my travel buddy.
वो कार्निवल की तमाम सरगर्मियों में शामिल हुआ।
He joined all the activities at the carnival. He joined all the activities at the carnival.
रेस्तुरां में बहुत ज्यादा लोग थे।
There were too many people in the restaurant. There were too many people in the restaurant.
आप सही जगह पर थे।
You were in the right place. You were in the right place.
इस शाम वो अपने ट्रक के पास खड़ा था।
He stood by his truck that evening. He stood by his truck that evening.
मुझे बेतरतीब सवालात पूछना पसंद है।
I like asking random questions. I like asking random questions.
वो अपने फोन की स्क्रीन से चिपकी हुई थी।
She was glued to her phone's screen. She was glued to her phone's screen.
खाला ने खाने के लिए दस्तरख्वान बिछाया।
Her aunt set the table for the food. Her aunt set the table for the food.
वो खौफ के मारे घर तक भागी।
She ran all the way home in fear. She ran all the way home in fear.
मैं तुम्हारी लापरवाही से मर सकता था।
I could have died because of your carelessness. I could have died because of your carelessness.
ये वही थी जिसने कार्रवाई का इशारा किया।
It was she who prompted the action. It was she who prompted the action.
इसने ठोकर खाने से पहले उसे धकेल दिया।
He pushed her before stumbling away. He pushed her before stumbling away.
मैं आपके लिए फाइलें ला सकता था।
I could have fetched the files for you. I could have fetched the files for you.
ये सड़क के दाईं तरफ है।
It is on the right-hand side of the road. It is on the right-hand side of the road.
मेरे बेटे का जोश वाव खरोश से सांस फूल रहा था।
My son was breathless with excitement. My son was breathless with excitement.
इसने रात की ठंडक में कदम रखा।
She stepped into the coolness of the night. She stepped into the coolness of the night.
खाने की ट्रे जानवरों से भरी हुई थी।
The food tray was clustered with animals. The food tray was clustered with animals.
अगले ही दिन वो कंपनी में आया।
He showed up the very next day at the company. He showed up the very next day at the company.
तकरीब रुकने के बाद मी ने दरवाजा खोला।
I made for the door after the event came to a stop. I made for the door after the event came to a stop.
वो भागने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए रुक गया।
He paused a moment before sprinting away. He paused a moment before sprinting away.
वो कारोबारी मंसूबे बनाते रहे।
They kept on formulating business plans. They kept on formulating business plans.
वो पहले ही सख्त आवाज देने लगी थी।
She was starting to sound tough already. She was starting to sound tough already.
मैंने कंधे अचकाते हुए जवाब दिया।
I responded with a shrug. I responded with a shrug.
इसने नरमी से उसे नई सीट पर बिठाया।
He gently ushered her to a new seat. He gently ushered her to a new seat.
बाकायदगी से वर्जिश करना आपके जिस्म के लिए अच्छा है।
Exercising regularly is good for your body. Exercising regularly is good for your body.
मैं अब भी मशीन पर काम कर रहा हूँ।
I am still working on the machine. I am still working on the machine.
वो गहरी सोच में डूबा हुआ दिखाई दिया।
He appeared to be deep in thought. He appeared to be deep in thought.
मुझे इसकी नजर तंग कर रही थी।
I was irritated by the look she was giving me. I was irritated by the look she was giving me.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने जाए वक़्वा पर अपने वहां मौजूद होने का कोई निशान नहीं छोड़ा है।
I hope you did not leave any traces of your appearance at the scene. I hope you did not leave any traces of your appearance at the scene.
वो एक रात पहले इससे मिलने गया था।
He visited her the night before. He visited her the night before.
वो दोनों हाल में डांस करते रहे।
They both danced down the hall. They both danced down the hall.
वो दीवार से उल्टी लटकी लेकिन गिरी नहीं।
She hung upside down the wall but did not fall. She hung upside down the wall but did not fall.
तलबा पहाड़ी पर चढ़ गए।
The students trudged up the hill. The students trudged up the hill.
मेरी कमीज जूस से दागदार थी।
My shirt was stained with juice. My shirt was stained with juice.
इसके रद्द-अमल पर वो चौंक पड़ा।
He looked taken aback at her reaction. He looked taken aback at her reaction.
मैंने हैरत से मालूमात का जवाब दिया।
I responded to the information with a surprise. I responded to the information with a surprise.
इसे पकड़ना होगा।
He has to be apprehended. He has to be apprehended.
शाम तक खत भेजना तय था।
The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening. The letter was scheduled to be sent by evening.
स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल ने नताइज को बुलंद आवाज में पढ़कर सुनाया।
The results were read out loud by the principal of the school. The results were read out loud by the principal of the school.
मुझे काम से जल्दी निकलना पड़ा।
I had to depart early from work. I had to depart early from work.
इसने देखते ही तेज सांस ली।
He inhaled sharply at the sight. He inhaled sharply at the sight.
आपको ये यकीनी बनाना होगा कि मंसूबा इसके मुताबिक चले।
You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly. You have to make sure the plan goes accordingly.
इसने अपना बैग फर्श पर फेंक दिया।
He threw his bag to the floor. He threw his bag to the floor.
स्कूल के पास कवायद की एक फहरिस्त थी जिसकी पाबंदी तलबा को करनी चाहिए।
The school had a list of rules the students must abide by. The school had a list of rules the students must abide by.
इसे आने वाली बस से झटका दिया गया।
He was jerked away from the oncoming bus. He was jerked away from the oncoming bus.
वो उनके साथ शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहे थे।
They waited for her to join them. They waited for her to join them.
मैं अपने खाने के वक्फे के लिए बाहर निकला था।
I went out for my lunch break. I went out for my lunch break.
हम गेट पर मौजूद थे।
We were situated at the gate. We were situated at the gate.
तुम्हारा बेटा जालिम बनने वाला है।
Your son is about to become a tyrant. Your son is about to become a tyrant.
कपड़े गीले होंगे।
The clothes would be wet. The clothes would be wet.
वो इत्तेफाकन उनके पास आया।
He casually walked up to them. He casually walked up to them.
मशहूर शख्सियत एक न्यूज़ चैनल पर लाइव चली गई।
The celebrity went live on a news channel. The celebrity went live on a news channel.